Pink in have 1 man, pink in have 2 man, pink in have 3 man, pink in have 4, pink in have 5 man, pink in have 6 man, pink in have 7 man, pinky have more, pinky have man, pinky full of man, pinky have man and pinky.
I go.
A pinky you come to?
Yeah, pinky we come to today.
You don't know a pinky there.
I know if you don't today.
You know? Yeah.
See you now, tell me what today.
I know a pinky there for sure. Me know. Pinky there bush a shit. Yes, the shoe come.
Some people too.
You know, yes, the pinky did bungy last time when she did shit in there.
How?
Yeah, you have to call the plumber and the plumber said, no man, this can't fix. So, you want to shit a bush.
Jaja.
I'm shit a bush there.
You?
Yeah. Yeah. But courage, they bite me and my balls.
I know.
Yeah.
So everything good?
Yeah. You can keep secret.
Eh?
You can keep secret.
Yeah, man.
I keep all the secrets, you know. But I can't hold them no longer.
I tell me one of them now.
You see, time when you come here, and you say, the food the pinky cook is sweet, and you have pinky the cookie.
How would he cook it?
Well, not pinky other man them, but it's a secret, so you have a secret here.
Yeah, man, and me cook it and know a dirty rice bag. Watch them come on and hear and say, yo, pinky I shut a bush, yeah, this. So this I have to use a bush.
No, she always use this for true.
Oh, she have already?
Yeah.
You like keep it still.
So how you cook give me woman now?
Eh?
How you cook give me woman?
And me cook, man, and me I chef in the kitchen.
So how you reach over here, so?
Eh? Tell him, me not remember.
Let me tell you. Indy, come over here. Say, in last, in spoon and in fork. And Pinky say, I have spoon and fork in my room. And then you go in my room. And I know Pinky don't have no spoon and fork in the Pinky trick you. Thanks.
But they don't say a war if you go start down.
No, man, we not war.
Yo, me can't believe.
General.
You reach over here, so.
You know, it's just be a dream before. But me do. I do nothing. Me want to cook. Me the chef.
Yeah, my chef. You know chef? Yeah.
Chef,
your
big
food.
chef.
Chef no cook for you. You got
In a spicy.
Yeah,
You want more, duh.
No, me no want no more. Me nah come back here. Yo, watch out now. Give me $1,000,000.
Eh?
Give me $1,000,000.
Pinky soon come, she almost done shit by now.